Today is Saturday. Today's date is 15th of June 2024. It's a time of morning. Today we are presenting a lifestyle activity. Our program is Healthy Habit. Get up early in the morning. We should get up early in the morning, fold our bedsheet and blankets, fold our bedsheet and blankets, wash, drink water, wash your hands, and brush your teeth. Wash your hands and brush your teeth, then have a bath. Wear clean uniform. Your dress should be clean. Be sure parents have a healthy breakfast in the morning. Morning breakfast is very healthy for you all. Take your bag before going to school. Check your bag before going to school. Go to school on a time. Take percentage